log into your savings unit, you will need to log into Canvas. Once you log into Canvas, you will go to your class, Online Business Economics. After that, go to Modules. Scroll down until you find your savings unit. Once you are there, you're going to click on Foundations Digital Saving. And you will see a link. It says you will need to create an account. Your username should be your email address, your school email, and your password should be your school password with a capital P. You will need to know your class code, 88 FBE. Write it down if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link. You're going to go to create an account. In that account, I'm going to create one for a class member. We're going to put John Doe, D-O-E. You'll put your school email, as I'm putting their school email. Your password will be capital P, A-S-S, and your 4 digits. And what's the class voucher or access code? It's AD8 FBE. AD8 FBE. I'm going to agree to the terms and services and say create an account. Let me come up with a different email. You should not have to do this. Okay, and I'm going to create an account. Okay, return to sign in. So I will use J Norman and use your eSchool email to sign in. Your school password, PASS, your 4 digits. Click on Let's Go, and it takes me here. You do not need to join the course. The only thing you need to do is click on this, and it'll take you in, give you a little prompt, and it will show you the 3 different units we will do for Foundations Digital. We're going to do savings, debt, investment, and retiring. If we go to savings and go to start, it'll tell you all the things that you need to complete. Once it's completed, it will tell me over here in your navigation pane if it's been completed. You can scroll down and say next. Read your sections. Next. Key terms. See how it puts a green item to tell me if you've completed it. Measure your progress. You will work all the way through all of these items. Your pretest, section 1, section 2.1, and so on. When you get finished, you'll do your review and you will take your test. The test is not available at this time, but it will be. I hope this helps for you getting started into foundations into personal finance. Thanks.